In this video, we'll be going through Get My Parking monitoring tool, which helps a parking operator to fetch the real-time health status of all the hardware deployed, whether it is a GMP gate kit or a RFID or QR code reader. This bird eye view gives you the view of all this health status across the parking with the color coding green and orange. You can actually see how many lanes are up, how many lanes are down, or how many garage doors are working with the average CPU utilization across the parking. If you want to see the specific status of one single parking, you can go to the parking data. This data is pointing to our test parking, so you might see some fluctuation. In the ideal scenario, it would be fully up and running. And in this specific parking detail, you can actually see the uptime of the lane and other specific details to determine that what is going wrong on the parking side and what needs to be done. Thank you.